Net LED Lighting manufactures and distributes a range of commercial LED lighting solutions, replacing conventional, less efficient equivalents. Customers in the UK are covered from the company's facilities strategically located in Cambridge. Stocks are held at their warehouse, allowing next-day delivery.
The company was formed approximately 5 years ago. It's the development of a business that I was previously involved in, manufacturing large screen LED displays. This was spun off as a new company as and when we felt that LED technology had got to the right price level for white light. In fact, if we're honest, we're probably slightly premature 5 years ago because we spent the first few years convincing people that LED was actually a technology that could be used for LED lighting, whereas today it's more or less an accepted product and people expect LED as standard. The business has grown steadily over those 5 years, and we're now one of the leading suppliers of commercial LED lighting into the UK wholesale electrical trade. The range of products we offer at Net are purely all commercial, they're all white light, and they're limited to products that can be used really in an office/warehouse environment. So that includes things like an LED tube, an LED panel light, LED bulkheads, floodlights and 2D lights, which are used for typically housing associations for outdoor lighting. What differentiates us from a lot of other suppliers is that all of our products are able to be supplied with emergency lighting, which is critical for commercial applications. And because we're involved in the design process and specification of all of the products, we can provide lighting data files to allow engineers to actually design lighting schemes for new build applications.
Net supplies through resellers, including all the UK national wholesalers, as well as through thousands of independents. Products include LED replacements for fluorescent tubes, LED panel and floodlights, LED 2D bulkheads and downlights, all carrying a 5-year warranty and using considerably less power to achieve the equivalent light output. This provides users with reduced energy bills, maintenance-free lighting, and assists in achieving corporate responsibility in reducing their carbon footprint.
LED technology is much more energy efficient than older forms of lighting technology. Typically, you can save 65% of the energy used to provide the same light output using LED lighting. It also lasts a lot longer. Quality LEDs themselves can have a life expectancy of in excess of 100,000 hours of usage. This compares with a reasonable quality fluorescent tube that may only have a 12,000 hour run life. The degradation in light output from an LED is much slower than conventional fluorescent type technologies. So you would expect to get 50,000 hours of good light output from quality LED lighting, with degradation perhaps only being down to about 70% of its original light output after those 50,000 hours, whereas the degradation in light output from conventional technologies is much quicker, much faster.
The Net LED brand is widely associated with quality and reliability. Net LED lighting is independently assessed by BSI and holds ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certification for quality and environmental management. They are also an approved member of the Lighting Industry Association, which represents all aspects of UK, EU and international legislation and standards at the highest level.
Traditional lighting will always be part of the existing industry, certainly for the next maybe 10-20 years. People are always reluctant to change. And also, people have invested in things like metal halide lamps and sodium lamps. They're not cheap products. If they're doing the job, people will want to keep them for the rest of their useful life before upgrading to low energy LED lighting. The future for LED lighting is actually very bright, excuse the pun, but the industry is absolutely massive. You cannot think of a building, whether it be domestic or commercial, that doesn't have lighting. As the technology continues to develop, the prices are coming down literally on a quarterly basis. As the demand grows, the prices will continue to fall, and eventually every building, whether it's on a retrofit or new build, will embrace LED lighting.